Polestar just moved into a new home here in Orange County, California. We've come to Laguna Beach to sample the automaker's new digs. It's close to the coast and the Pacific Coast Highway. We've also come to see this, the Polestar Precept. Now this is a good spot for some automotive artwork, considering the building we're in is next to the Laguna Beach Art Museum, and Laguna Beach in itself is a great town for all things art. The Precept is a design concept that shows us what's in store for the future of the brand, and you're going to see this design language in a lot of upcoming Polestar models, including the upcoming Polestar 5. This Precept previews the 5, which will be a 4-door electric Grand Tourer. Both nose and tail should be nice and sharp, the fenders nicely sculpted, and the proportions proper to the idea of a GT sedan. On the inside, the Precept shows off Polestar's latest display and infotainment tech. You have a large 15-inch screen here, and then you have a really nice 12.5-inch display ahead of the driver, and this display is crisp. There's a cool bit of illumination that runs behind the two, and then works its way through the entire cabin. And this cabin is designed to reduce the environmental impact necessary to build it, as the materials are sustainable and includes recycled PET bottle plastic, reclaimed fishing nets, and recycled cork vinyl. There's also this really cool floating holographic Polestar logo in the back here. So the Precept shows off the Polestar 5, which isn't coming until 2024. Before that though, we get the Polestar 3, which comes in 2022, and that's an electric performance SUV. And then after that is the Polestar 4 in 2023, which is a smaller electric performance SUV with a coupe-like shape. You can see all these models as they roll out by visiting one of these Polestar Spaces near you. This one in Laguna Beach is a rather nice one, and there's more around the country, and more are even coming. I have to say though, me living in Orange County and really enjoying PCH, this one's a pretty good spot.